Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use OpenAI DALL-E. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To use OpenAI DALL-E, go ahead and open up a web browser first, and in the web address bar type in openai.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of OpenAI, scroll all the way down and click on this DALL-E 2 option under featured. Now you'll need to log in using your OpenAI account in order to use DALL-E. Click the login button at the top right and enter your OpenAI account's credential in the text boxes. Sign into your account like you normally do, and once you are logged in, you'll be able to see this interface. With DALL-E, you'll be able to generate images from text description. Simply go ahead and type in any description in the text box and click generate. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see images generated from the text. You can also add in more text to generate the best image. That is how you can easily use OpenAI DALL-E. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.